Today is Vlogmas day 1. If you're new here, my name is Carla. I make plus size fashion videos and vlogs, and today we're starting Vlogmas.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate.
Good morning.
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside,
It's snowing.
we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say.
I am so excited to do Vlogmas this year. I have watched it for years, but I never thought I could do it. I never thought I could have a YouTube channel, but this year I was determined to try, and I am so proud of myself because it has become one of my favorite things to do. I've tried all kinds of different types of videos and different things, but honestly the whole thing has just been a really fun learning curve. So today I'm excited to start a new challenge, which is daily vlogging. I think this is going to be so good for me. I think it's going to just make me be creative every single day, do fun holiday things, and really stretch my ability to edit and get videos up quickly. I'm kind of the person where sometimes the decisions in a video make me take a long time to actually get the video up, and I just want to be able to make content and put it up there and not like second guess it so much. So anyway, today is November 30th. I'm starting the day before because I want the videos to go up on the day of. Also, this means that when I make it to the end, I was gonna say if, but when I make it to the end, my video will go up on Christmas Day. Will be like my Christmas Eve vlog, and it'll go up on Christmas Day, and I won't have to like hopefully do a video on Christmas Day. We'll see how that goes. But either way, I'm not gonna be crazy about it. If I miss a day, that's okay. If I think I will likely just combine days because I plan to vlog every day. It's the getting everything up the next day that might be hard, especially because I'm doing just a little bit of traveling. My parents have a lake house that's like 2 hours away, and I'm gonna go there for a weekend, and sometimes the Wi-Fi is a little bit tricky, so hopefully I can do that, but we'll just see. We'll just do the best we can. Today, to celebrate, I want to go get a Starbucks holiday drink, and then I also want to go to Anthropologie and look at home decor, like Christmas home decor, because I have some stuff and I get a lot. I've gotten a lot from like Target and stuff like that, but I feel like Anthropologie just has like the nicest, like most unique things. Maybe not the most unique things, but I just want to go look at it during Christmas. So we're gonna do a little field trip, and then this evening I'm actually going to a meeting with Home Depot for my new master bathroom. I've never talked about this in a video, but this bathroom, this is our master bathroom, but you'll sometimes see me in our other bathroom. That's because this shower does not work. It actually leaks. So for the past year, we've been showering in our hall bath, which is no big deal. It's just me and my husband live here, and we're really lucky to have multiple bathrooms, but I would really love to be able to use our master bathroom. We're actually planning on like redoing the whole layout. So anyway, I'll probably share more about that throughout this month, because hopefully this month we actually get things ordered, because everything is back ordered for like months and months and months. So I would really like to go ahead and get it ordered. I've been working on this for months. We've been working on this for months, but it's just a really expensive, big project, and there's a lot to a bathroom. I had no idea. So I'll share some of it, but it's not gonna be like a bathroom renovation channel. It's just, it's a big part of my life right now. Anyway, I'm finishing up getting ready. My hair is mostly dry, and I'm gonna just throw some curls in it because I just like my hair better like that.
And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say, and I claim.
Another thing I quickly want to talk about is that I made a TikTok yesterday, actually I posted it, and just made a voiceover about how I feel kind of out of place often on like social media and stuff, because I live in a house in the suburbs of the hometown I grew up in. Like I have the same zip code that I had when I was growing up, and sometimes that makes me feel really like a loser because I'm 26 and I feel like I should be living in like a city and like having crazy fun experiences all the time and like being with my friends all the time. And honestly, my life is like very simple and boring, and like the highlight of my day is like going for a walk and like seeing the deer in my neighborhood. So one of my goals for Vlogmas is to focus on the simple things. That video ended up getting like hundreds and hundreds of comments of people being like, this is my life, and I love it too, but I do feel like no one's talking about being like just like a normal person. Like, I love all the New York City vloggers and all the people that live in LA and have these amazing, beautiful lives and these like amazing apartments and all that stuff. But that's just not my life. So it's kind of hard to relate to that sometimes. So today and this whole month, I'm really focusing on kind of just sharing what life is like in a normal life. And that's not to say that I'm not grateful for my life, because I really am. I'm so privileged to be in the situation we are in, with the house we have and the place we live and all that stuff. Like I said, I don't want to be a New York City girl, but I just feel like it's so pretty and aesthetic and everyone loves it that it feels weird to make content where like my day is like kind of simple and normal, but I love my life and I want to share it the way it is right now. I also feel kind of weird sometimes because a lot of people that live near me have children, or like friends of mine that live around me have children, or they're starting families. And while I'm super happy for them, we're not in a place where we want kids yet. And so it feels kind of weird to be in this place where like we have a house with multiple bedrooms, but we don't actually want kids yet, because everyone's first thought is like, you should fill that house up with kids. And I'm like, I plan to, but just not yet. So anyway, it just feels like I'm in this like kind of middle ground where I'm not like, people are like, you're settled. And I'm like, but I don't feel settled down, and that like I don't have 2 kids and a dog yet. But I do feel like I like live kind of this like suburban mom lifestyle. That's all to say that I am excited to bring you guys along for this month and just romanticize the simple, boring life that living in the suburbs is. I also wanted to quickly show you my outfit. These jeans are Universal Standard Donna jeans, and I love them. They're like a pretty wide straight leg jean. They're so comfortable. And then I'm wearing this top, which I've worn a few times recently, so you guys have maybe already seen it if you watch my other vlogs. But this is from Nuuly. I think it's actually Anthropologie originally, but Nuuly is a rental service. I'll link it down below in case you guys want to try it. But I love this top, and I have to return it in a few weeks, so I'm gonna get as much wear out of it as possible.
Yes, every time the snow is falling.
So yesterday I made this whole TikTok about like living a simple, boring life and how it's amazing. Well, I live in Maryland, but obviously we live close to DC, or like an hour from DC. But outside DC, there's a suburb called Bethesda, but it's like more of a city. I would consider it more of a city. Anyway, that's where the Anthropologie is. So I decided to go to Bethesda, and then I realized last time I was here, there's a Latte, which is like a, I think it's like a Boston thing. I don't really know, but it's like this coffee shop. And I was like, oh, I should like get a, it's like a smaller chain. I was like, oh, I should like get a coffee there instead of at Starbucks, just because I can get a Starbucks anytime. So I parked in the parking garage near there instead of the one I usually park in, and it's literally $10 per hour. My simple, boring life is much more affordable than this more glamorous life. Whatever. I'm like, so the coffee itself, it's fine. It doesn't really matter. I didn't check before I pulled into this parking garage. The parking garage I normally park in is like $2 an hour or something, like way cheaper. So anyway, I'm gonna go get this drink and I'm gonna love it. Okay, it is really pretty in here, so the aesthetic is worth something. Okay, so I got a chai latte in their smallest size, and it was literally $6, so can't say it's like anything spectacular. It's a little bit of a bummer, but it's all right. Okay, so the taste isn't bad, but the cup is leaking around the rim, so that's super sweet. I should have just gone to Starbucks. Oh well, at least it's a nice day out, so I'm just kind of trying to enjoy the sunshine because I don't want to keep walking with this drink because it's spilling on my shoe.
Every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day. Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day.
All right, I'm back in the car and I got one of the things I came for, which is a gift. It's my mother-in-law's Christmas gift. I don't think she watches my videos, but if you are watching, click out right now. Anyway, I got her this really beautiful plant mister and a gift card. She's really into plants right now, so I thought a gift card to like terrain would be awesome because they have all kinds of like beautiful plant things, like things that you wouldn't buy for yourself probably, but are beautiful. I looked at so much stuff, including that Connect 4 game. Oh, when I tell you that I just picked that thing up and walked around with it for a few minutes and then looked at the price and realized it was $128 and I was like, that's a lot for a game. I know games are expensive, but, and then I opened it to like, I was like, what about this is so special? It's like a tortoise, it's so pretty. But then I came up with an idea to see if I can get a wood set and maybe paint it myself because I thought that'd be kind of cute. And then I could pick the exact colors and everything. So that's a possible gift. Like, we kind of set a limit for each other's gifts, or me and Max's gifts, and I've already bought basically his whole limit. So the only thing I have left to get are like stockings and stuff, stocking little gifts and stuff like that. So so the Connect 4 would probably kind of be a stocking gift, and we have a limit for those too because it's just easy. I love like spoiling people and like buying them amazing, beautiful gifts. But it's just like, you gotta be reasonable. And that's kind of the same reason that I didn't end up getting, I was looking at the candles and their Christmas decor. One, there was nothing that was like the right size for what I wanted, except for these really beautiful pre-lit trees. But they were just like really expensive. I'm planning to do a Vlogmas in a few days where I decorate our bedroom for Christmas. And so I ordered a wreath and I have lights. And then I wanted to get a few other little things. While I was in there, a lot of the stuff is very similar or even the same to this little shop near our house. So I was like, if I'm gonna buy this, I should just buy it from the store near our house and like support local businesses, especially because I'm friends with them. I'm friends with the owners and they're just like the sweetest mother-daughter duo. I'm gonna get like a cute little candle for our bedroom and maybe like one decor thing. Obviously I can't decorate every single room in our house, but I thought it would be kind of fun to decorate a little bit of our bedroom. So that's all to say, this was a fun little outing. I like walking around outside. It's just like nice. I did get kind of hot in this jacket while in the store, but anyway, I feel like this was a successful trip, even though I didn't get everything I was looking for because if I got everything I was looking for, I would have spent a lot of money.
Okay, so I ended up just coming home because I was starving and because I realized that I didn't have a ton of time between getting home and needing to leave for this Home Depot appointment. So I just came home, got some work done on my computer. That's probably gonna be the hardest part of this whole Vlogmas thing, is that I wanna be out doing things, but I also like still have to do work when I'm home. Anyway, it's fine. Thankfully, I live a very flexible life, so I can do both. But yeah, so I got some work done, and then I'm going to go ahead and get prepped for this meeting. I sort of talked about this, but this process is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. It's really complicated. There's a lot of moving pieces to everything. It's very hard to make the decisions because it's a lot of money, but it's also like, you know, something that's adding value to your house, also a room you use every single day, also something that you're including, it's got plumbing and electrical and all this stuff. I'm very lucky that my dad is in construction and my mom has done a lot of projects like these, like renovating bathrooms and kitchens and stuff. My parents actually built a house together like 12 years ago, 15 years ago, I don't know. It's like the house that they still live in. Anyway, they know a lot about this and I'm really grateful because my mom was like, I can come with you to the meeting. So my mom's gonna come, Max is busy with work. So it actually works out pretty nicely. So she's gonna come. So I need to like be totally prepared with everything I want. And just cause there's just so much that can get mixed up. Anyway, that's kind of the plan for right now. I'm gonna go print some of this stuff out and then I think I'm gonna go eat a snack because The meeting's gonna be kind of during dinner time. I don't know what to do for dinner. I have stuff to make soup, but I also think it might just be easier to get something out. This is the, I'm pretty positive it's that one down there.
That's the floor?
Yeah.
It's much later. I just got home from the Home Depot meeting. It took forever, but we made a lot of good progress, thankfully, because I was kind of nervous that everything was kind of messed up. Like, the lady had actually accidentally doubled the price of our like cabinet piece, so I was really worried that everything was just all mixed up. Anyway, long story short, it's all figured out, I think, mostly, and we're getting close to the end, so I'm very excited. But I'm gonna go inside. It's like 8:15. I'm starving. I'm gonna go eat some dinner and then probably lay on the couch and watch TV.
I feel like that's a little.
An architectural high.
Max, say hi.
It is a thing.
Yeah.
You guys.
All right, guys, it is like 10:30. I'm gonna get ready for bed and go read. Actually, I'm gonna do more book segments. I just finished the book, A Year Living Danishly. It was very good. I would highly recommend it. It was a really interesting book all about why Danish people are so happy. It was a little different than I was expecting. I was expecting it to be all about like just light candles and like have fun indoor activities, but it was very different than that actually, and it was a little bit more in depth than I was expecting, but it was really good. So I finished reading that. I just downloaded another book. It's The Tourist Attraction by Sarah Morgenthaler. I don't even really know what it's about, but I just decided it looked good by the cover. I judged a book by its cover. I don't know if I can show you. I'll put the cover on the screen. Anyway, I'm gonna read that, go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching my first day of Vlogmas. I had so much fun filming this today, and I already can tell this is gonna be so good for me because it's gonna get me out from behind my computer and just like living life and getting to share it with you guys, and I am just really excited. So I will see you guys in a vlog tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Bye.